The awesomeness ain't over yet, yo. I danced to this song in private.
Are you serious? Junior, this song is stupid and lame and terrible and I love it. But we can't dance with you because we don't know how.
I will teach you, yo.
And he's got a cute way he talks. He's got a cute magnetic effect on me. He's cute and sassy like gravity. That boy is super cute. He's a super
Yo, give it to me.
Alright.
That boy is super cute. He's a
You want
super
one of these?
cute.
Alright, and the musical montage. Well, this is it. Our last race before dying.
For old time's sake, yo.
Well, then,